If you're a photographer or someone interested in taking photos with limited mobility, it can be hard and cumbersome to take photos, especially when on the move. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to mount your phone using a walker with two Platypod tools, the Platypod Mini Super Clamp and the Platypod Mag. This setup is ideal for seniors or anyone with limited mobility who wants to make video calls, take photos, or simply use your phone hand-free and within reach. I'm Riley Arthur. Welcome back to Platypod TV. Having family members with limited mobility and having worked as a photographer with the disability community, I'm sensitive to the challenges of a world that isn't always accommodating or accessible for all. Knowing how easy I think Platypod is to use, I wanted to demonstrate it. To create this phone stabilizer, you need a Platypod Mini Super Clamp, a 1/4-inch screw mount, and a Platypod Mag. Let's start with the Mini Super Clamp. It's lightweight and easy to tighten with your fingers. You don't need any tools like a wrench to tighten it. Just twist it and it's secure. As you can see, this clamp will attach easily to the crossbar or the handle of a walker. You'll just want to pick a spot that's most comfortable for you where the phone is within reach.
The 1/4-inch male screw mount adapter doesn't currently come with a Platypod Mag, although it does come with the Platypod goosenecks. And it can be found easily at camera stores, hardware stores, and online retailers like Amazon. I'll drop a link below.
Next, let's attach the Platypod Mag. It screws right into the clamp, no fuss. Using the magnetic sticker that came with your Platypod Mag, attach it to your phone case and that will attach easily and securely. It'll click right into place into the mag. You can tilt and adjust the angle of the Platypod Mag by loosening the screw on the back and adjusting as needed. Be sure to tighten once you're done. Using voice command apps like Siri or Google Assistant, you can make FaceTime calls,
Siri, FaceTime Riley.
open apps, take photos, shoot video,
Siri, take a photo.
or a number of other things hand-free. For those who are more hands-on, this setup enables single-handed photography, video, and calls with stability. And that's it. This setup is great for staying connected without having to hold your phone. If you or someone you love uses a mobility aid, try it. If you learned something from this video and enjoyed it, please give us a like. It really helps others find our content. Subscribe to our channel for more photography tutorials and insights. To see more of my work, you can find me on Instagram. Until next time, stay creative, happy shooting, and I will catch you in the next frame.